That was one of the most wonderful experiences of my life. I didn't know till after we had signed that he's actually dying of cancer. And man, I really feel like God put those people in my life because I'm trying to do this challenge, and I got 3 contracts. I'm shocked, and it's really beautiful to me that I want to make a difference and help people get into real estate. And the person that helps me by getting me these contracts to make this amazing content was a real estate investor himself, and he shared his life story even though he's dying of cancer. I really feel like sorry guys, like, you'd think I'd come running out excited because I made over $100,000 in there, but I'm humbled. I'm humbled because I prayed. I prayed that God would bless me in this journey of helping people get into real estate. And I got the wrong phone number when I called this guy on a different property. I was trying to find like Woodcrest Drive, and he had a property on Wood something or other drive, and it was a completely wrong person. And I was like, well, shot in the dark, do you want to sell a house? And he ends up having these 2 properties, and we're signing the 2 properties. Like, hey, you know what? You might as well just buy this 3rd one. And I ended up with the 3rd one accidentally. Like, I'm blown away. I really, really am blown away. I feel grateful. They know they're giving them to me at a massive discount. Real estate wholesaling has been the greatest blessing to me ever. And, I hope that you guys have belief in yourselves that you can do this, and that you can look back and have those stories, just like this gentleman has, and just like I have now. And I hope that you share it with others and you bless other people's lives. There's a lot of good in this world, even with all the a lot of good people, even with all the craziness and gloom and doom that we hear on the news. There's a lot of good. Look for it. So let's get home.